Hey guys, I'm Kaleigh. I'm an RA at SAGU. Come on in. This is my favorite part of my dorm room. I have my words wall with all of my nice notes from all of my friends, and it's just the coziest spot in my room. So I just wanted my room to be really welcoming and inviting as an RA. I just wanted my girls to feel like they can come in here and hang out just as much as I can. I've been living in Bridges for 2 years now, and I just love being here. Just seeing the community that's here and getting to be an RA, getting to help foster that community is really awesome. So over here, I keep my makeshift pantry and my fridge, and my go-to in my fridge has to be my Brita because it's just the best water. It's a lot better than in the sink. If I have one tip for anyone coming into SAGU, it's definitely to bring a fan. It helps a lot. Well, I really like to crochet. I just learned how this summer, so this was like hand crochet, so without any needles, but I started working with needles too, and I made another blanket with that, and then I've made a cardigan. One of my favorite things about SAGU is that we get to have campus day students come and stay in the dorms with us. So if you're a potential student and want to come check it out, go to sagu.edu/campusdays. Thanks for visiting me.